Hello, I'm Nutan Mishra. Welcome you in my channel Chemistry Simplified. I'm going to explain about now atomic packing factor in simple cubics. Atomic packing factor in simple cubic. We can see here, we can draw the simple cubic. And okay, so atoms are, we can show here, are present at the corner for atomic packing factor. We have to go by step. The very first thing is how to calculate the radius. First step is your calculation of radius. For that, you can see this distance is equal to A. This distance is equal to A. All the sides are equal. Now, this is your atom. This is the radius. So, this distance is equal to R. And this is also radius. This is also equal to R. This distance is also the radius of the atom. This is also equal to R. So we can see this is A and this distance is equal to 2R also. So we can say A equal to 2R. So R will be equal to A by 2.58. Next step, we can see calculation of number of atoms. That is very important. Calculation of number of atoms. For this, we can see contribution by one atom at the corner equal to 1 by 8. So contribution by 8 atoms at the corner. So contribution by 8 atoms at the corner, it will be your equal to 1 by 8 multiplied by 8. So it is equal to 1. In case of a simple cubic, the number of atoms are 1. Next step is for calculation of atomic packing factor. The formula. What is the formula of the atomic packing factor? We can see atomic packing factor for simple cubic equal to number of atoms multiplied by volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Already we have calculated number of atoms equal to 1 multiplied by volume of atoms. Formula we have 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of unit cell, it will be your A cube. Now we have to put the value of R here. So we are having here 1 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi. Value of R we have calculated 0.5 A cube divided by A cube. And you just do this calculation and it will be coming your 0.524. 0.524, and this is your atomic packing factor for simple. Thanks for watching my video. Must like, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you.